Here are 3 signs that you are operating in a scarcity mindset. Do you ever feel like you're stuck? Ever felt like you're stuck no matter how much and how hard you're trying to succeed? Yes, that is something that many people are struggling with, as a matter of fact. We are constantly worried that we're not having enough time, that we're not having enough money, that we're not able to do the things that other people are actually achieving and doing. And the truth is that you are just operating in a scarcity mindset and you don't even realize it. It's not that you can't do it, it's just that your mindset is preventing you from actually doing it. But today, I'm going to dive into 3 different signs that scarcity is keeping you stuck and how to fix it. So stay tuned. If you're new to me, I am Stephanie Zima. I am the founder of the Walk It Free mentorship program, where we heal, connect, and level up. We heal all the things that are holding us back from achieving the things that we want in life. We are connecting with who we are and what we even want in life, right? Because so many of us have kind of lost that part. And then we are leveling up together by taking the actions, having the support, having the vision, having the accountability from that mentorship community, that mentorship program, and me to keep you going on the pursuit of your implementation. Because let's get real, we always learn new things. There's so much free stuff out there that everybody can consume, but having actually somebody to take you by the hand and making sure you are implementing it, that is not there often. So this mentorship program provides exactly that to you. If that's something you're interested in, please comment below, send me a message, or book a discovery call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about it and what it exactly looks like for you. All right, so diving into this topic now, the 3 signs that you may be stuck in a scarcity mindset and how to fix it. Sign number 1, you always feel like you're running out of something, right? Maybe your thought is that there's not enough time, or there's not enough money, or there's not enough opportunities, there's not enough people to reach out to, there's not enough people that are wanting to buy whatever it is that you're selling. Those kind of things are just a scarcity mindset. And sometimes you show up with that because it's something that your family was doing all the time and you don't even realize that you have it, right? It's something that over generations, it just kind of kept going, and you don't even know that it's there because it just feels normal to you. It feels like everyone's doing it, everybody's thinking the same thing, so it's got to be right, right? But it actually could be a scarcity mindset that is now preventing you from achieving the things that you want to achieve. So when you think, for example, I always have exactly what I need when I need it, that's when you start opening the doors. That's when you start opening the doors for abundance, because you are not going to think, I never have anything. You are going to allow the things that are wanting to come to you. I always have exactly what I need when I need it, right? Coming towards you. And it's not even a lie, because let's realize we have ChatGPT. We can put something in there and it spits out information. We have Google. We can find data. We can find information. So we actually do have exactly what we need when we need it, if we are courageous enough to show up for it. But it'll take a little practice, but it will make, to implement, but it will make huge difference for you. Once you start realizing that you will have enough of everything, you will actually make big strides. Stick with that, and then also see how your energy shifts. Because when we are in a scarcity mindset, often we feel deprived, or we feel depressed, or we feel, defeated. All of those start with the D, right? Depressed, defeated. Yes, stuck, even, that starts with an S. I digress. Anyway, creating abundance feels flowy and full and amazing. So your energy will shift. All right. Step number 2, you hesitate to invest in yourself. Yes, that is a scarcity mindset. So many times when I talk to people, I hear, oh, I don't have time, not yet. This, All of that is just a scarcity mindset, okay? The thought is, I can't afford to spend money on growth, on self-care or coaching, is maybe exactly what's holding you back from achieving the things that you want to achieve, because you're not showing up. You're not training your mind that you are going to be able to get information and apply them and make more. See, when you invest in something, even if you invest in yourself, you have your form right now and you're making more out of it. So investing is already abundance, okay? If you're afraid of doing that, you're afraid of becoming more. Now the question here is, why are you afraid of becoming more? Why are you not wanting to become more than you really are right now? Okay. So next time when you catch yourself saying that you cannot afford it, just try to say, investing in myself creates more opportunities, and then think, how can I afford it? How can I make that happen? Your brain is like a computer system. It's amazing. It's kind of like Google. You ask it a question, and when you wait a second, boom, there's going to be answers. Okay. It will give you an answer that you can then take action on. So just start small. When you are investing in yourself, doesn't mean you have to buy a mentorship program. It doesn't mean you have to invest into $5,000 mentors, or, some of those programs are even way more than that. Or some of those mentors, the sky's the limit, right? You can find a mentor, though, in any price range. A mentor only needs to be just a little bit farther than you are, okay? Because you don't even want to hire a mentor that is so far off price-wise. Because here's the thing, their next step may not be yours. They may have forgotten how it is in your shoes, okay? So you may want to have a mentor that actually is very close to where you are, so that then they can take you to the next step, because that's all you need. You need to get to the next step, and then you move on to the next mentor, okay? All right. Sign number 3, you compare yourself to others and feel behind. Have you ever heard that comparison is the thief of all joy? It's true. If you compare yourself with someone else, you rob yourself of the joy that you're feeling of doing something your way, okay? And what it also says is that you don't really believe that you are that great, because you are comparing yourself with someone who's doing it better than you are. So you are already being down on yourself. You're already bullying yourself. If you see somebody that is better, instead of having the comparison and feeling that jealousy, just kind of think to yourself like, wow, this is something, and take mental note and say, that's something I like. That's something I would want to do, when I grow up, for example, right? I always say I'll do that when I grow up. But, so that's basically what you can do. Don't shift comparison into I can't, because they already have. Ask yourself, how can I do what they do? Because I think that's really cool, right? If they can do it, then it's also going to be possible for me. Maybe it's not possible right now. Maybe I need to work on something. See, I always look at the CrossFit people, for example, in my gym, and I look at them and I'm like, wow, look at how they do the pull-ups. Look at how they do the gymnastics move. Like, look at how much weight they're stemming. And I'm just like, that is so amazing that they can do that. And yes, in the very beginning, when I first started, I thought, oh, if they can do it, they can do it. And they are so much better than me. My first inclination was to walk the other way and say, I suck and I can't do that. And so I must quit. But because I know about abundance mindset thinking and not scarcity, I said to myself, like, wow, look at how amazing they are able to do these things. What are they doing to get to that point? Well, first of all, they show up every single day. 2, they are making progression, right? So that's what I started doing. I started realizing, what is my next step? What am I going to have to do and take the next thing? What is my next thing? And I feel like that is what so many people are not doing. They're not taking the next step. They're only going to focus on the big thing, what they can't do. And then they are losing they're losing strides. They're not doing what they're supposed to be doing because of that. Okay. All right. So instead of feeling discouraged, just go ahead and realize that you're just needing to take a few steps to get there. All right. If that was helpful to you, please comment below your takeaways. I would love for you to share exactly what you are going to implement so that other people who are watching this video are going to see what it helped you with. I would really love to see those takeaways down here. And if you are needing to have any kind of help, go ahead and comment BP so I can send you my breakthrough blueprint. It's free. It's a questionnaire. It will help you exactly where you are and what you need to do. And if you're ready for coaching, go ahead and DM me and book a discovery call. I would love to learn more about you, get to know you a little bit, and figure out what your next step is going to be. All right, talk to you later. Walk it free.